Hello YouTubies, welcome to Blue Collection and to another toy review. Today I'm going to show you this Mack truck store and go from Squinkies. This collection is huge. You can find them in Cars 2, Hot Wheels, Marvel, Toy Story, and even SpongeBob.
SpongeBob reporting for duty.
And since this Mack stores 40 Squinkies, we're also going to open 2 packages with 12 cars each. But this Mack already comes with 2 Squinkies. Here are the 2 Squinkies that comes with Mack, Lightning McQueen and Ramon. They are basically soft rubber cars measuring less than 1 inch. In package number 1 we have 12 Squinkies, 9 clear bubbles and 3 red ones. Here we have Sheriff, Luigi, Guido, Sally, Mater, Fillmore, Tumbleweed McQueen, Acer, Shoe, Rotork, Lizzie and Max. In package number 2 we also have 12 Squinkies, 9 clear bubbles and 3 gray bubbles. Here we have Graham, Ramon, Mater, Pit Crew Fillmore, Raul, Red, Flo, Luigi, McQueen, Finn with Guns, Francesco and Sarge. Mack is all made of plastic with paper stickers. He does not talk and his tires are fake, so it's not a push truck. The cab is clear and you can store up to 5 bubbles inside. To remove, simply open the gas tank. You can open the hauler from the sides, not from the back. Fits 18 Squinkies on each side, plus 4 more in the top display, which can be rotated. In total you can store 40 Squinkies in this truck. A good thing is that they do not fall, which is great for display, but you cannot close the door. Alright YouTubers, thanks for watching this video and click on any of these links if you want to see other videos from later. Thanks again and see you next time.